Okay, guys, right now we are going to be chasing Daniel's cat around, so have a fun video. She's sleepy right now.
Stay ahead of IBS-D with Vyversy.
What do you want, a little muffin? What do you... Eat the muffin. You want it or not? You want it? Do you want it?
What do you get when you combine an H&R Block task with production fighting superpower IBM?
Are you hungry or what? Let's get you active today. Sleepy, chubby butt.
H&R Block reports. Get your taxes won.
The fight for the future of the Democratic Party.
Sway, give me a mouse or something. Need a mouse. A live mouse. Live mouse. Wait, no, a bullet right here.
And Sanders wings of the party.
Okay, Mika.
Full display with former Labor Secretary Tom Perez boasting the support of fellow Obama administration
Jump
colleagues
forward,
like Joe
lazy
Biden
chubby
and
butt.
Eric Holder. And his chief rival, Minnesota Congressman Keith Ellison.
Jump forward. Okay, just like keep
the
it there.
endorsements
Keep it
of
there.
both
Keep it
Bernie
there.
Sanders and Elizabeth Warren. Doug Schoen is a Fox News contributor and former pollster for President Bill Clinton. He
Mika,
joins me now from
come here,
Los
Mika.
Angeles. So Doug, you wrote,
Mika,
I think
Mika,
it was this
come
week that the party, the Democratic Party,
Ready, Mika?
is literally on life support. I mean, is it really that bad?
Why aren't you active today? Why?
Offices, we've been losing state
Why
houses
are
and
you
governorships
Ow, your
in the last
whispers.
8 years. The state
Ow! Hello, we are back. Gage kicked me. Sorry. What, Taylor? We ran out of beef sticks. Oh, Taylor, darn it. Who is it? Girls out there. I want my tablet back. Oh. Can I have my tablet? You kicked me in the balls.
Hey, Daniel, you punched me. I played Far Cry.
Cause you did it.
I put Far Cry on your profile.
Okay, we're still recording. I don't know. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, now you can see.
Hey, what do you want?
This is my skeletal system. I'm dead, but I came back to life because I'm a mad god. Little mean Gage right there kicked me in the flipping BALLS, which it hurt, so I kicked him back because I'm a karate ninja. Stay away from me, big blob.
Bye.
Stay away from me, Gage.
Why don't you? Huh?
Get away from me, leader.
Sarah, give me my tablet. It's been a workout. Give me my tablet, Sarah.
I mean, it won't do anything.
I'm working out.
Karate.
Work out. No. You can't use that phone down. Bro, give me my tablet back.
No. I'm not giving you my tablet. I'm not giving you your tablet back.
Bro.
It's mine now.
No, it isn't.
You kicked me, so it's called friendship, not matchship.
That's it. I'm gonna kill him.
It's matchship. It's matchship. He's gonna kill me.
I'm trying to kill him.
Come on, dumpling. You need to get your exercise today. Come on, Humpty Dumpty. Get your exercise. You need your exercise. You need your exercise. Oh! Oh, crap! Look at Darren had a big butt.
Kill him. See, I put Far Cry on your profile.
Bye, that's the video. Peace out, YouTube.